Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, we are doing 12.2 exercise of ratio and proportion. In this video I'll explain you question number 4 of 12.2 exercise. Question number 4 is determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Means as we have done earlier, we have to check the ratios. Also write the middle term and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. So 1, 2, this is first ratio, third, fourth, this is second ratio. Middle terms will be which are lying in between, and extreme terms first and last. So let us do first part. So this is 25 centimeter is to 1 meter. This is the first ratio, and the second ratio is rupees 40 to is to rupees 160. So as we can see in the second ratio, both the units are same, both are in rupees. So this is okay. But in the first ratio, the first unit is centimeter and second is meters. So we have to convert either of them. So let us see, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore we are going to use this. So we will find out the ratio as 25 centimeter is to 1 meter can be written as 100 centimeter. So now we will find out its ratio. 25 centimeter upon 100 centimeter. Units get cancelled out. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. So 1 by 4 means 1 is to 4 is the ratio of first ratio. Now in case of second. So let us take rupees 40 divided by rupees 160. So rupees will get cancelled out, 0 will get cancelled out by 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So again the ratio is 1 is to 4. That means both of these are in proportion. So we can write it as 25 centimeter is to 1 meter is in proportion. Proportion के लिए 4 dots. Is equal to rupees 40 is to rupees 160. Now they have asked us the middle terms and extreme. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. जो middle में 2 हैं वो हम लिखेंगे middle terms. So therefore middle terms are 1 meter and rupees 40. These are the middle terms. एंड एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स, एक्सट्रीम होता है मतलब जो किनारे पर हैं, एंड एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स आर 25 सेंटीमीटर एंड रुपीज़ 160. जो स्टार्ट फर्स्ट और लास्ट है, एक्सट्रीम होती हैं, जो मिडल में है वो मिडल टर्म्स. सो दिस इज़ योर आंसर टू फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ लेट अस discuss second part. So dear students, in second part we have first ratio is 39 liters is to 65 liters, means both the units are same. In second ratios we have 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. Again the units or the objects are same, bottles. So this is the direct question. Try it yourself, no need to convert any unit, do it yourself. First find out the ratio of first ratio, then second. If the ratios are equal, then you will say yes, they are in proportion, and these are the middle terms, and 39 liters and 10 bottles will be the extreme. Now let us do the C part. The first is, let us discuss C part. First ratio is 2 kilogram is to 80 kilograms. Kilogram, units are same, no conversion is there, direct question is there. So 2 divided by 8 is 1 by 40. So 1 is to 40. And 25 grams is to 625 grams. Again units are same, gram. 25 ones are 25, 25s are. So its ratio is 1 is to 25. That means they are not in proportion, no need to convert, do it yourself. Middle terms these two, extreme terms these two. Try this question also yourself. Now D part, 200 milliliter is to 2.5 liter. Milliliter. So I'll do this question in front of you. Do B and C part yourself. Now in this part, dear students, in the first ratio units are not same. So let us convert liter. Let us see the relation between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we are going to use this. So 2.5 liter, when we convert it into milliliters, 2.5 will get multiplied by 1000 and it will become milliliter. So remove the decimal by placing 10, it will get cancelled out. So after converting we'll get 25 milliliter. So we will take 2.5 liter as 2500 milliliter. So now the first ratio is 200 milliliter divided by 2.5 liter is equal to 2500 milliliter. So cancel out 2 zeros. So 2 by 25, no other common factor is there. So this is your final ratio. Now let us check for this. Second ratio is equal to rupees 4 divided by rupees 50. Both the units are same rupees. Get cancelled out. 4 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 225. So again the ratio is 225. That is 2 is to 25. Yes, they are in proportion. तो हम लिखेंगे yes 200 milliliter is to 2.5 liter is in proportion to rupees 4 is to rupees 50. Now it's time to write middle terms. So middle terms is equal to, which are the two middle terms जो बीच में हैं, 2.5 liter and rupees 4. These are the middle terms and extreme terms will be जो first और last है. Terms will be 200 milliliter and last term is rupees 50. So these are the extreme terms. So I hope the question is clear to you. So complete this question and try it yourself also. Thank you.